In this brief video, I'll try to explain a bit better how the wiring goes for the DHT11, and I want you to focus on the wiring for this black box here, or blue box here. Everything else on this board is for other things at other times, so we're just going to focus on this right here. And so what you'll see is that there are 3 pins on the DHT11, and you're going to want to put it so that each of those pins is in a different row, because the columns are electrically connected. So if you put them all in the same row, it would be all the same input. And so I have signal, 5 volts, and ground. And so this one is going to my blue bus bar, because the way my breadboard is set up, I have a bus bar. You can either do that, or you can wire ground directly to, that might be how covered, so it says GND on your board. I don't think you can see that. Oh, there it is, GND. So GND stands for ground here, and then you'll see 5 volts. You can also get 3.3 volts if you decide you need less than 5 volts for something. Not applicable in this lab. And so my 5 volts here goes to my red bus bar, and everything on that red bus bar is connected to 5 volts. And my ground wire here goes to my blue bus bar, and everything on my blue bus bar is connected to ground. And my signal is connected off the screen. Let's get it on the screen to pin 7. I don't know how to get that visible in the camera. So 7 is the pin number that we set up for our DHT11. And so that's how I'm getting my DHT11 powered, grounded, and sending its signal to Arduino.